This is going to be the short version of how to select a product. So from any web page, click the Order Here or Proposal and Contract Product buttons, and you'll see these number buttons 1, 2, 3. Our main product is the Proposal Kit Professional Bundle, so that would give you the most content and level of software features in the Wizard software. So right off the bat, you can see all the things included, all 6 of our legal contract packs, 4 of the proposal pack design themes, and you get to add 1 extra of your choice. So if you add to your cart the Proposal Kit Professional, you can go back to button 2 to the proposal packs, and out of the 500 design themes, select any one and add it as your 5th design of your choice with the Pro Kit. Now the option 1 proposal pack for any business here is already bundled in the Pro Kit, so don't add that one. Go down and look at View All Designs, or you can scroll down this list here and select by business type or category, or just go to the photo styles and so on. So for example, let's just say you are a medical healthcare company. Maybe you like this Medical 7 design theme. Add that to your cart and you'll see that it is included. Now, if you just need a single package of templates for proposals, then just get a single proposal pack design theme. So the option 1, proposal pack for any business, this is the plain design theme, visually plain. There's no extra graphics or colors added to the pages ahead of time. Now, through the Wizard software, you can apply your own color scheme to match your company logo, insert your company logo onto the title page, and there are a handful of options for your front cover designs included. If you would like a full design theme, then just pick any one of the 500 design themes that fits your style of business. Maybe it matches your company logo, your logo colors, your website design, the type of your business you're in, and so on. So no matter what type of business you're in, all you have to do is select a graphic design theme or the plain design, and you are covered. So every sample proposal, every proposal template layout you see anywhere mentioned on our website, you can create with any one of the proposal pack design themes or the Pro Kit. So those are your 2 choices. Get the Proposal Kit Professional and optionally add a 5th design, or get 1 proposal pack. And that pretty much covers everybody. So if you have any questions, just contact us and we can walk through whatever your specific situation is.